From there, we go to advantages of self-employment. What are the advantages of you employing yourself? Because most people tell you about jobs. What is the advantages of you employing yourself? Yes? It is? Yes, it reduces idleness. Because if you find that you do not have work, you can start your own. So it reduces idleness. Shamala? Advantages of you being self-employed or having your own thing? Yeah, you can be able to provide opportunities to other people. Yes. Who knows? Yes. Yes, very good. It also helps to curb unemployment in that you yourself, you employed yourself and then you're able to get work for other people. Yes. This side. Someone to say something. Yes. Yes, quick. Yes, you can easily make decisions quick. Because in most of the companies, even here in school where I'm employed, I cannot just make a decision and execute it. The decision that I make, it has to go through the what? The principal. For the principal to decide whether this is good or not good for the what? For the student. But if you have your own, you're self-employed, you have your own premises, you can easily make what? Decisions. Because it is your own place. Also, you can generate income for reinvestment. It is easily. You can generate your income. If you've started your own, you're self-employed, and you're getting good customers, so you're making profit, you can easily reinvest the money that you're getting to expand. Also, as we said, it facilitates employment because if you start your own company, you're going to employ other people. Also, it enhances the use of individual talents and creativity. Yes, because you've started your own. Remember, when you're starting your own, you are self-employed. You've begun something that you are interested in. You cannot just start a wholesale because other people are doing so. You will not start your IT company because other people are doing so. You start on a thing that you are talented in. So that means you enhance the use of individual talents. It provides an opportunity to learn skills. As you're going on, when you're self-employed, you can learn more skills in order to be able to accommodate the needs of your what? Of your premises. And also it leads to self-reliance. You always rely on yourself. In a company, you have different minds. You can come together, do a meeting, and then you decide you're going to do 1, 2, 3. But when you're starting off, startups, you have to fully rely on yourself for everything. And also it provides goods and services to the community. It also helps curb unemployment. As we said, it reduces idleness, we've already explained it, and it helps to curb crime. Why we are saying it helps to curb crime is because if you've employed yourself, it means that you won't be involved in what? In stealing other people's goods. Because when you're idle, you can easily steal. If you've started your own company or a startup and you employ like 10 other boys, they could have stayed idle and thought of doing something, a crime. But now because they are working in your place, they are not doing it. So that enables you to curb the crime.